what's going on, everybody. In this video we are going to take a look at child selector. Now let's see what is that. First of all, I'm going to type inside something inside the body. I'm going to create a link. To create a link, we know that we have to put a h reference. H reference is hyperlink reference. That's equivalent to whatever the website you want to open. Okay, I put http:// google.com. okay, now I close this one with semicolon, not semicolon, like this quad mark, and close this right here and type something. If you know whatever the link name you want to put, I just type first right here and then close that with \a. Okay, now we have a link. Now when I go and refresh the website, you will see first coming here. When I click this, it goes to google.com. okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to create two more of this. Like one I'm going to go create inside the paragraph \p, and then I'm going to copy the exact same thing and put it inside the paragraph. Also, I'm going to put another thing inside the header, h3 and \h3. I'm gonna put that thing inside it. Okay, now when I refresh this one, you can see we have one thing outside and the second one is inside the paragraph and the third thing is inside the header. Now what is parent and child? What is child? Now if you have a link inside a paragraph, this paragraph is a parent and the link inside is child. And also for this one, header is the parent and whatever inside is child. That's the concept we are going to choose to style the link, like a particular link. Like if you want to style the link within the paragraph, we are going to use some tactics in the style to do that. Now what is the tactic? Here I put p greater than a. Okay, p greater than a mean if you put like that, it's mean whatever inside the p, it's gonna get styled. If you just put a, everything is gonna get styled. But if you put p greater than a, it means only the things inside the paragraph it's gonna get styled. Okay, now let's go ahead and style something. Like let's change the color. Let's put color to red, and also I'm gonna increase the font size. To do that, I put font dash size 30 pixel and semicolon, close the curly bracket. Now when I refresh this one, you can see the style of the thing inside the paragraph is changed. Okay, that's how we do that. That's how we do child selector in HTML and CSS. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you guys on my next video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.